She is getting it. Look at that. Okay, your texts aren't important as I karaoke. The smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers breaking up and down the boulevard and shadows searching in the night. It's like they got trying like the kids are so gorgeous, honey.
Have you been? No. I love it. I love it. I love it. Did you tell them?
Farmers market. It's a video.
It's so small.
Small? Seriously?
Wow, my eyes are
It's a
watering
little
up.
underwhelming, I'll be honest.
My phone?
No, I'm talking the farmer's market.
But that's okay. We came to go over there in the boardwalk.
Yeah,
Look
the
at my
boardwalk. What is?
eyes.
Your eyes are pretty. Shut up. You have pretty eyes.
I know.
They're
Thank
watering.
you.
She has.
Houses, more houses. They're so pretty. Like, the scenery is so pretty here. We got all the fam, brother, cousins. Everybody's just scattered, just hanging out. Mom, dad, everybody, just having a blast. Hi, brother. I can't see your face. It's dark.
You gotta take model pictures for me.
For you?
Yeah. You ready?
Model status. Hold on, baby. Hi, Abby. Abby,
Yeah,
look at me.
I got up here.
Hi, baby.
I got up here.
Yeah? How are you?
See my family.
Your family? Are you having fun?
These are us. I will go down.
Gianna, be careful. Whoa. Oh, no. A collision. You having fun, Mommy? Look at that stand. Oh my goodness. The way she stands cracks me up.
Not yet, okay? Are you taking a video of
Abby, they're calling you. Do you hear them?
I'm here, Abby! Abby! I'm here!
Honey, go up the other stairs, honey. Over here, this way. Look, this way. Yeah, this way. Over here.
Hey, look! Can you do this to Leo?
Right there, that's good.
You can do this instead. You can.
Just be careful, okay?
Abby, up here! Abby, with me! Come in with me!
She's coming, she's coming, she's coming.
Abby, here! Abby, here! I want to go up here. Perfect. What are you talking about? Let's go up here. You're three. Abby, get on one.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy, Abby. Look at that cute face. Let me see.
Cheese. Cheese.
Go ta-da!
Ta-da!
No, again. Let me see it. Ta-da! But you have to look at mommy when you do it. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Good job.
Can I make me in? Hold me, Daddy.
First she tells you to let her go, and then she says to hold her. She said that was good.
Careful.
Like that?
You have to watch where you're going.
Keep doing this. Stella, I like those shoes.
You like those shoes that she has? They're cute, huh?
Okay, stay there.
Remember how I showed you to climb?
Yeah.
How do you do it?
Let go, let go.
One foot,
Let go.
then the next one. Mommy, look. Use this one too. Oh, maybe not.
Careful.
Dada.
I'm right here. Yes. Hold on to this one. Right here. And step on that.
Those shoes are slippery.
It's slippery.
No. This one.
You gotta.
You can't reach for what you can't. If it's too far, you can't reach for it.
Now, yep. You see, that was good.
Your leg right here.
Good job.
Hold on to the pole. Yep. Oh,
You can sit. That's good.
yeah, you do it. No. Wait.
Hold on to the pole, mommy.
I got you. You don't have to be scared. I'm holding you.
Mommy, you're not gonna fall, honey.
I'm holding you. Look, you see my hands?
I want to put like this.
Okay, go ahead. Where's your other foot go?
It goes right here.
Yes.
And then you gotta go around.
You have to swing around carefully. Okay?
Now reach for the other pole.
There you go.
Good job.
There you go. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Grab on.
She cracks me up.
Daddy.
There you go.
You did it. You did it, honey. Good job. She said, I'm okay.
I'm okay.
I was gonna take a picture, silly. She like rotated. Thank you.
No. Don't stand up. Sit down. And then we're going to slide off together. Ready? Whoop.
Abigail, look at Mom. Are you sad?
You're not.
He's like, no, I'm Abby.
Sachi, bye.
Bye. You
Many
said bye to me
times.
like 3 times. You're so silly.
I like it when,
You like being like a monkey?
yeah.
Okay.
A pelican falcon.
A pelican falcon?
Like an elephant.
Oh, okay.
I'm a falcon.
Oh, look at them golden biscuits.
They paid already.
Oh, look at them golden.
That was quick.
It took like 10 minutes.
Let's see. Let me look at them. Are they good? Grab it and shove it in your mouth. They're still hot.
Yay, 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 yay.
Give yourself a concussion.
Ew. Ew. She just snorted all the mochos.
That's
Gross.
tasty and all.
Look at my hat.
That is so nice. Look at that beautiful hat.
It's snow.
This is what my mom would wear.
Do was gonna get it. No, I don't want it. I don't want it.
You don't like it?
That's my onion.
That's not onions, honey. Those are candles.
Candles. What's this?
Can you finish eating? We've been sitting there for about an hour.
We'll take it